In this video, I will show you how to fix missing Instagram notes. So in order to find notes, you just have to go to messages, which is in the top corner right here. And you will be able to see your notes, your family, your friends, or your followers' notes. If you don't have this feature, you just have to go to Play Store or App Store, and you just have to see and search for Instagram. Now, if you see that this says update, you just have to update your Instagram to its latest model. Now, if those still doesn't work, you have to resolve to this trick. You have to go to the profile icon and then tap on the three lines on the upper corner. Now you just have to scroll down and look for account type and tools. Now you just have to switch to professional. Hit continue. Now it really doesn't matter how you add this. You just have to fill all of this. Now that you're in professional, it will reset all your messages and you will be able to see your notes. So that's it.